Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of living with dusty floors and messy carpets? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's the DREAME L60 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. This thing is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why it's become so popular among homeowners. With its powerful 35,000 Pascal suction, you can feel the difference as it lifts dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets, leaving them feeling smooth and clean. The ProLeap Obstacle Crossing feature is a lifesaver, as it enables the robot to cross double-layer thresholds and single steps with ease, allowing it to move smoothly between rooms without getting stuck. I've seen it glide over my living room's threshold with a gentle hum, and it's amazing to watch. The VersaLift LiDAR is another standout feature, as it lowers the robot's height to just 3.50 inches, allowing it to clean under sofas, beds, and cabinets while maintaining precise 360-degree navigation. You'll be amazed at how well it can fit into tight spaces and pick up dust and dirt that other vacuums might miss. The corner-to-edge cleaning with the Extendable Mop is also a huge benefit, as it reaches deep into corners and along walls, capturing dust that traditional robot vacuums may miss. And with the all-in-one self-cleaning base station, you can enjoy low-maintenance cleaning as it automatically empties dust, washes mop pads with hot water, dries them with hot air, and refills water. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a powerful, smart, and top-rated robot vacuum that makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you're a busy professional or a parent with kids and pets, this product is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their home clean and tidy with minimal effort. Give it a try, and if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.